So it's been about 22 hours since we put the third coat on that tabletop. I'm gonna show you a top secret tip. Come on. So between coats on these, we block sandal with 220 grit. But after the third final coat, this is what I use. It's just a regular old paper bag, construction paper. You take time to wad it up a few times. And then we're gonna use this to do the final buff. It'll knock down any rough spots if there are any. And it won't leave any marks. So you can see by this residue, it's almost like a high grit sandpaper. All right, I'll go get the legs. We'll get this thing put together. Now that's a nice table. Thanks for watching. Come back next week. We'll start on something new. It's just a regular old, what do you call this stuff? What do you call it? Construction paper? Paper bag.